Yung dalawa.
So guys, almost done for this right tire. And the next time guys, I'm gonna have this for replace the transmission fluid. Almost done also for this one. Ay, thank you Lord. So almost 3 hours before Britney Cheryl got fixed, but it's okay, it's really worth the time. Na wheel alignment na yan.
Checking na lang. Yan. Tapos punta sa ito, test natin.